Assalamualaikum students, welcome to math class. Students, in this video we will learn about surface area of different solids. Do you know what is surface area? Surface area of the object or solid is the total area occupied by the surface of the object. Or surface area is simply the sum of areas of the flat surfaces. Area of flat surfaces means area of faces, right? Students, we know that most of the articles we purchase from the market, for example TV, refrigerator, washing machine, computer, juices, toothpaste tubes, etc., are packed in cartons or boxes made of cardboard, cans, etc. So most of these packing boxes are cuboids or cylinders. It is obvious for a manufacturer to find out in advance that how much cardboard or tin sheet or paper is required for packaging. To find his requirement, the manufacturer needs to calculate the surface area of the cuboid or cylinder. Students, apart from this, there are various other situations where we need to find the surface area. For example, when we want to know that for painting the walls of our house or for painting the cupboard or cabinet, etc., how much paint is required, right? So in that case also we need to find the surface area. So let's know how to find surface area of cuboid. See, here we have a cuboid. We know that a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces and its opposite faces are identical or similar. Students, if you will observe this cuboid, you will find that its top and bottom faces are identical or similar, and its front and back faces are also identical, right? And its right and left faces are equal or identical. You can see here its left and right faces are similar, and its front and back faces are similar, and top and bottom faces are also similar. So for finding the total surface area, we have to find the area of each face or area of each flat surface, right? We can see that all of these surfaces are rectangular, right? So we have to find the area of each faces, then we will add them, so we will get the total surface area of this cuboid. See, here this is length and this is breadth and this is height. So we know that the top face, this is the top face, and for finding the area of this top face we need to find length into breadth, right? So length into breadth, L into B is equal to LB, and the same area this bottom face will also have, right? Okay, now if we want to find the area of front, we will multiply length by height. So length into height, L into H is equal to LH, and the same area this back face will have, right? And its left face will have breadth into height, right? So B into H is equal to BH, and its right face will also have the same area, that is B into H is equal to BH. So here we have got LB plus LB, LH plus LH, and BH plus BH, right? So we have got 2LB, 2LH and 2BH, right? So when we will add them, we will take 2 as common, and finally we will get the surface area as 2LB plus BH plus HL. We will add all the 3 LB plus BH plus HL and multiply that sum by 2. We will get the surface area of this cuboid. Understood? Students, for finding the lateral surface area, we will find the sum of the area of 4 vertical faces, right? So the sum of the area of 4 vertical faces or side faces gives the lateral surface area. The formula to calculate the lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2LH plus BH, we will take this h common and we will get 2h into L plus B, or we can write 2L plus B multiplied by h. Means you can simply find out the lateral surface area by finding the perimeter of the base multiplied by height, right? You can find the perimeter of the base and after that you can multiply that perimeter by the height. So perimeter of the base, this base is in rectangle form, so perimeter of the base is 2L plus B multiplied by h is equal to 2 into L plus B multiplied by h, right? Good. Now let's find out total surface area of cuboid whose length is 10 centimeters, breadth is 8 centimeters and height is 6 centimeters, right? So let's find out. Here it is given that length is equal to 10 centimeter, breadth is equal to 8 centimeters and height is equal to 6 centimeters. So let's find out total surface area using this formula. 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus LH. We will substitute the values of LBH here. We will write 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8 plus 8 multiplied by 6 plus 10 multiplied by 6, right? On solving it, we will get 2 multiplied by 80 plus 48 plus 60, right? On adding all these, we have got 188. Now we will multiply 2 by 188. On multiplying, we have got 376 square centimeters. So total surface area of this cuboid is 376 centimeter square, or we can say 376 square centimeters. Understood? Now let's find out lateral surface area of cuboid. See, here the cuboid is same with the same measurement. Length is equal to 10 centimeters, breadth is equal to 8 centimeters and height is 6 centimeters, right? All the length, breadth and height means all the dimensions are same here. We have to find the lateral surface area. So we know that lateral surface area is equal to perimeter of the base multiplied by height. So let's find out. 2 multiplied by 10 plus 8, length plus breadth, that is 10 plus 8 multiplied by 6. This height is 6 centimeters, so we will write 6 here. Now we will solve this bracket first of all. So we will get 2 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 6. On further solving, we will get 216. So lateral surface area of this cuboid is 216 centimeter square. Understood? Good.